Hi guys, I'm Maddie and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a business card holder using Autodesk Fusion 360. So first I'm going to be creating a box, and I selected the XY plane and I did 100 millimeters length and 60 for the width and 40 for the height. So I just created the new body here. Then I'm going to hollow out. So I selected modify, I pressed shell, and I selected the top of the surface for the face, and I set the shell thickness to 3 millimeters, and I selected the inside. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and hit modify and hit the third button down, and I selected the front edge, and I checked the tangent box to set the equal distance to the 30 millimeters. So it looks like this. You can rotate it at different angles to see the shading. So next what I'm going to do is, since we want the back of it to be tilted like a card holder, you're going to sketch a right triangle. So it's going to be a 15 millimeter base and 40 high. So you just create this using the sketch function on this program. Next, what you're going to want to do is select the modify button and hit the push pull tab, and you're going to select the triangle, and you can either drag it 100 or you can just type in the 100 millimeters, and this is going to give you that effect. So now you're going to want to position the tilted back into the card holder and make sure it's fully in, or else when it prints it will not be attached. Make sure it's angled perfectly so it is aligned. Highlight it all. You're going to hit the move button and drag it right in with that left arrow. This may take a couple tries. As you can see that when I first did it, it was a little bit raised on the plane. So all I had to do is lower it and rotate it back to the right a little bit, and you can angle it perfectly. Move it around and check it out just to make sure it's all perfect. So now you have that, you're going to be rounding the edges. So we're going to use the fillet tool under modify. So modify then fillet, and you're going to select the short edge on the right side, and it may take a couple tries to get, but then you're going to take the arrow button and push downward to reshape the flat edge and angle until you get the curved top edge. Notice that the left side will also reshape so you have a symmetric box.